Let's grab some of these beautifully diced tomatoes, minced onion, squeeze of lime juice. I love me some citrus, so you do you. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Marisol Salazar, and this is Fresh Takes On Takeout with HelloFresh. Today, we're making a sizzling Tex-Mex staple, Chicken Fajita Bowl. And to help me out today, I've got my buddy, Chris. What's up, Chris?
What's up? How are you?
I'm doing amazing. Super stoked that I'm gonna be making this Chicken Fajita Bowl with you. You're from Texas, right?
I am, Fort Worth, Texas.
What's good, Fort Worth? So you know a lot about some good chicken fajita bowls.
Absolutely.
I'm Latina. Pollo con arroz, chicken and rice, like that is infallible where I come from. And you know what? HelloFresh has made it so simple. Everything is already coming prepared in the box, so we can make this faster than we can figure out what we would actually order from takeout. You ready to do this?
Let's do it. Let's go for it.
All right, let's get to it. Okay, so one of the best part about chicken fajita bowls is that sizzle, you know, that like ASMR type bit.
We love a good sizzle and a spice.
Exactly. So what HelloFresh has done is brought the sizzle back into our homes. But before we try this, we gotta see what we're comparing ourselves to. Do you have your local takeout?
I do.
All right, let's bust that out. I mean, I'm not hearing any sizzle so far, so buen provecho. Not bad,
It's tasty.
but we can take it up a notch, for sure.
We definitely can add some more sizzle, more spice.
And I think we can have that if we made it ourselves.
I'm so ready.
So let's make our own version of this takeout favorite, but with HelloFresh.
I'm really excited for this.
Everything comes pre-measured, all the ingredients are there. Ooh, we got a lot of spices and seasoning.
Southwest Spice Blend.
I love that. I love adding a little smoke to my meats. That sounds great. I'm just gonna cut this first in half.
Down the middle we go.
I just like to make sure that all the seeds are out. And again, the reason that we're removing the seeds and the ribs is for heat control. And after we're done mincing the jalapeno, we're actually going to do the same thing with the rest of the produce. So now that we've chopped all our vegetables, we have a pot of boiling water. We're just gonna heavily salt it just because this is gonna give our rice flavor. So while our rice is simmering, let's make some pico.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's grab some of these beautifully diced tomatoes. We have minced onion, squeeze of lime juice. I love me some citrus, so you do you. As much jalapeno as you like, and I know you like it spicy. I'm just gonna put like a dab. A little pinch of salt, a dab of pepper. And boom, you have your freshly made pico de gallo. So easy. Now it's crema time. I love, love crema.
These peppers look great.
They're smelling really good too.
Yeah, they are.
Love that. And then in the same pan, we're gonna add our chicken, our southwestern spices, and the remainder of our chili powder. Get that in there.
Ooh, nice sizzle.
We have our southwestern spices and the rest of that chili powder.
Warm and smoky on top.
Oh, it's smoky, for sure. We're hitting the finish line.
Oh, wow.
Hey, and we already have our sizzle.
Yeah.
This is all sizzle right now. It is time to eat.
This looks amazing.
We did this in 35 minutes. I'm gonna crumble some of my blue core tortilla chips on top because that's just how I like it.
I'm gonna just dig right in with the chip.
Chris, pat on the back.
Mine's
This is
spicy,
amazing.
the perfect amount of heat.
Perfect amount of heat, and I loved how we were both able to customize. Like, you like it spicier. I did not. I can't wait to cook with you again, Chris. Thank you so much.
This is so tasty.
So flavorful.
You were the best guide. Thank you so much.
If you enjoyed the idea of making these takeout favorites right at home, well then stay tuned for more Fresh Takes on Takeouts with HelloFresh, like this chicken fajita bowl hitting the menu soon. I'm Marisol Salazar. Adios.